Alright, hello everybody. Today we have ourselves a Galaxy DX99v for Josh. Josh originally sent this Galaxy up here as he was having numerous issues with this radio. Originally when it came up it was locked at 14 to 15 megahertz, just trailing. He had sent this off to numerous different technicians throughout the span of 12 years. 12 years this man has been waiting to try and get this thing fixed. Now, this radio suffered multiple issues. Okay, we're going to get this thing flipped over here. Just one moment. Then we can kind of go in depth here a little bit. Okay, man, so we've got this thing flipped over. Okay, so what was going on is I did find on the solder side there was 3 spots in the PLL section VCO area that had 3 bridged joints that shouldn't have been bridged. Okay, we got that taken care of and squared away. We did a full solder overview. It was very nasty on the other side. We had to do a couple of trace repairs as well. We got it to come up to the 26, 27 megahertz range. Now, that's all fine and dandy, but we were having numerous issues still with the frequency, mostly in relation to our bands. So if we go down to 1, we're at 26, 165, 415, 865, 755. So across all of our highs were excellent. And if we go 25, 165. So our low bands are excellent as well. Now I'm showing this because this band board here, we had to replace this, okay? After we got the soldering issues taken care of with the bridging happening, that was done. We still had broadband circuitry issues. And even, just all around, all of the frequencies were just off. This radio has been kind of a nightmare. I know guys like the 99s, but they're extremely difficult to work with because before we even replaced this band board, we were looking at all of the wiring. We were looking at all of the pigtail connectors up front. We were looking at the pigtail connectors that connect here and up on this portion of it as well. This whole front faceplate was tore off, folded inwards on itself, doing all the wiring checking from continuity between this pigtail harness down to the main, and so on. We've really gone a whole length on this radio, but okay. Anyway, so we got that squared away. Your channels display, you did have, when this came up, this segment here was dead. Okay, this is a different display in here. This is a new display, so that's been done. That entire channel board has been reflowed and so on. Let's just bring this back around the horn. Okay, moving along inside, we've tidied up the wiring since being in there. We've got an R174 and R187 3.3 k ohm resistors. We did do a patch on R249. That, again, that's a whole nother thing in itself. I didn't just pull that. I didn't have a 10K to pull at the time, so I just did a patch on it. The 5.6 k ohm, I have replaced that. There was a swing kit in there. 249 was clipped. TR32, I believe, is gone as well. We've got a 470 cap here at C190. See it at C133. We've got a 3.3 Of course, we've gone through and we've redone all of our biasing for the transistors. These were cranked wide open. We had a large mistune as well on the TX can portion alignment underneath this band board, because when you'd put it in sideband, it would self-oscillate. You know, it'd just start having feedback and oscillation, output power, just by keying the microphone. We got that all taken care of as well. So again, yeah, this is a lot to discuss, and we haven't even gotten into the actual video yet, but regardless, I just wanted to show the inside of the chassis there for you, Josh. But we did get everything taken care of and squared away. We also do have a talk back added now when the echo's engaged. So, okay, we'll get this thing flipped over, show you how far it's hearing, and then we'll show you how it's talking. Okay, so here we are. Again, we've gone through all the knobs and switches have been fully deep cleaned and so on. We are at 27,185, 30% modulation, negative 67 dBm. We do have S9. Bring this up to a tone that you can probably listen to it in the cab. We'll go 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, and 20. That is negative 126. So the receiver tuned out excellent. This thing couldn't really hear much past negative 110, 115 before. Let's change our carrier to 184. There we have it for sideband. Okay. RF gain is operational. Squelch is operational. Okay. Bring it over here to FM. Bring this up. There we have it at FM as well. So all around, the receiver really cleaned up on this thing, man. It's doing a fine job. We'll get her flipped over to the transmit side, and we'll show you what your carriers are, frequencies, and then we'll get a tone injected for you. Okay, man, we're on AM here. We've got our variable power wide open. We're looking at a 50 watt element here. We're rated about just underneath 8 for wide open, and then all the way down is 2 watts. So you got 2 on low, and about 8 on high. We are in tolerance here. 27,185,019. Okay. We'll get a tone injected into it, show you what it's doing for a waveform and output. Okay, Josh. We've got our tone injected here. We're going to start bringing this up. Okay. Here's our wave from that 8 watt, looking good. We're going up to right at 10 average. Then we're going to fan the RF power back. Okay, and we're going from 2 up to about 4 1/4 average. Again, here's our waveform. Looking great all the way around, man, as far as waveform goes. And sideband. Here's our frequency. This is for lower, 27,183,999. So right on the money, just about. Upper sideband, we'll flip that over quick. 185,985. We're definitely in tolerance, plus or minus 20 hertz. Okay, we'll show you what it's doing with the voice and how it sounds. Alright, we're going to start this off on lower sideband, because when you used to key before, needle would just come up and just start getting pegged without doing any talking on it, self-oscillating. Audio, hello radio, we are on upper sideband. Audio, hello radio, 715 out here around Wisconsin. Audio, good afternoon, hello out there around the band. We'll go to lower sideband. Audio, hello radio, 715 out here around Wisconsin. Audio, hello, 715 out here around Wisconsin. We're saying good afternoon, hello. Alright, man. And then we'll put her on AM here. Audio, hello radio, audio. Let me bring this up a little bit more. Audio, hello radio, 715 out here around Wisconsin. Audio, hello radio, 715 out here around Wisconsin. Audio, hello. This is with our variable power all the way down. Audio, hello. Audio, hello radio, 715 out here around Wisconsin. We're definitely saying good afternoon out there around the band, ain't no doubt about it. Your friend out here, your Midwest operator, 715, working this dang old Galaxy DX99v. Come out. And we'll bring our variable power all the way up. Audio, hello radio, 715 out here around Wisconsin. We're definitely saying good afternoon out there around the band. Hello. Audio, hello radio, 715 out here around Wisconsin. We're saying good afternoon out there to all my friends out there around the frequency. Hello, getting good afternoon. We are getting on down, ain't no doubt about it. So peaking right around almost 35. Your echo engagement does work as well. I'll show you that. Audio, hello radio, 715 out here in Wisconsin. Audio, hello radio, getting on down, ain't no doubt about it. Your friend out here, your Midwest operator, working this 715 great technology. Break. All right. Roger beep. That's operational. The robot. Audio. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, sir, it does work. Ain't no doubt about it. Ain't no doubt about it. Come on. Voice control. Audio. Hello, radio. Yes, oh yes, it definitely does work. There's no doubt. Okay. 10 kilohertz jump switch works also. It's about it, man. You know, dimmer. That does work as well. So, again, man, I am very glad that we got this thing squared away for you, Josh. I know it's been a long time coming for you, my friend. Again, this man has been waiting 12 plus years to try and find someone to get this thing fixed. And now it's back up and fully running and operational for on the airwaves. Everybody, I do appreciate your time as well as your patience. We will catch you on the next one here soon. And we will be having some stuff coming up for sale as well very soon. Take care, all. Bye-bye.